What an incredible find. You will not find another one like it. Just direct in from a very good friend of mine. Very, very, very fastidious customers. Known them for over 40 odd years. They find the best cars and keep them in the best condition ever. This is absolutely incredible find. I challenge you to find another one like it. I don't think you will. The mileage, the specification is this is a one-off. If you want something special, then this has got to be the one, and do not miss it because you will kick yourself. You will never find another one like it. Audi A3 TDI Cabriolet S-Line, registered October 2017 on a 67 plate with just 10,643 miles. Yep, 10,643 miles. And this is the best of it. The options, £5,685 with the factory fitted options. They bought the car when it was 4 months old. Totally cherished all the way through. Some of the spec includes the advanced technology pack, sport seats, comfort and sound package, 10-spoke alloys, the head level heating, which is incredibly rare, Audi Parking Plus, the extended leather inside, headlight washers. The list goes on. Glacier white metallic, beautiful, beautiful colour. Just look at it, absolutely gorgeous. Proper 4-seater convertible. Let's take you all the way around it. You will be amazed at the condition. Look at it, just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So S-Line TDI. Not sure if the camera will pick up the metallic Glacier white, so it's not just a plain white, it is Glacier white. Good size boot on these cars for the size of the vehicle. That there's for the wind deflector to go into. The car does come with a spare wheel, or the toolkit there complete. Locking wheel bolt. Look at it, absolutely immaculate. Not a speck of dust anywhere. This is almost how the car came in. Of course, part of the advanced package is the rear parking sensors. Got the nice contrast with the grey trim. Couple of shiny exhausts there. All down the sides, absolutely gorgeous. No dents, scratches, scrapes or dings. All the wheels, I certainly can't see a mark on them anywhere. All original, we've not had any refurbished. All the spokes in great condition. Bridgestone tyres all the way around, all matching, and we've just replaced the two front ones because we just thought they were just getting a little bit on the edge. So we've fitted two matching Bridgestones to the front, which I'll show you. So the near side front wheel, as you can see again, all in the original condition, and there were the new tyres on there, all across the front. It's got the power headlight washers, front parking sensors. Well, I've looked across the front and I can't see any marks at all, but of course there may be the odd tiny stone chip, which can of course be age and mark related on that, but I've certainly not spotted anything whatsoever. And this is why we do the full close-ups, so you've got a full video of it on my hands and knees, showing you every part. And this is why we do it, to give you full confidence, transparency, to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair, so you know exactly what you're going to be buying. So as I mentioned, Bridgestone, So the driver's wheel, again, not a mark on it. As mentioned, new tyre as well. And again, all down the sides, absolutely perfect. Final wheel and tyre. The last owners put those decals on there. I think they're really set it off nicely. Just make it look very classy. Just look at that gorgeous interior. The light grey interior, all unmarked. Electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors. All the entry points totally unmarked. Got the rubber mats in there. Look at the seats. You've got the S-line embossed, and that's the heating on your neck, which is a very rare option. Of course, that's the wind deflector. I'll take it out, that just comes out. Quick and easy. Proper floor seats. Flat bottom sport steering wheel. Again, all the trims, all the dashboard trims, all of course you've got the big screen navigation as well in front of you. Zoom in and out with that. Just that button there. Change the view. So you've got the bigger speedometer and rev counter. Change the view again. Radio. Different menu on there. All very straightforward. Bluetooth phone. Great sound system. The Bang & Olufsen sound system is terrific. Cruise control, speed limiter. Of course, there you've got drive select. Efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic. Dual zone climate control. Heated seats. That's probably hear that there. Shame you can't feel it, but that blows warm air onto your neck, which is a great feature. Very rare. Of course, 6-speed manual gearbox. All the controls there. The navigation, reader input, all on there. Very straightforward. So again, telephone connection, radio, media, the full menu there. We've just carried out a service on the vehicle, so it's all ready for the next owner on that one. On these early Audis, you just press the button, that nicely folds away, out of the way. You've also got in there media input, and of course the hood. One touch, very quickly, very fast. Falls away, all fully electric. As easy as that. So a very quick process. Got the folding mirrors as well. Of course, you've got the black hood on it, all in absolutely perfect condition. Proper glass window. Looks great with the hood up or the hood down. What a car. As I mentioned, it's not just about the spec, it's also the condition and the mileage. This is an absolute unique find. So if you want something a little bit special, this has got to be the one. Of course, we've got 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full service history. It's even had the cam belt replaced in 2022. It just shows how well the vehicle is maintained. Not just polished up, but fully maintained all the way through. We welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your finance details with low deposits. Apply direct off our website. It is very quick, very easy, simple to do. And remember, if you do fancy that and don't want to miss it, simply hit that reserve button and that takes the car off sale, reserved for you, until you come and collect from our showroom in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Ask us for full and further details. Additional costs do apply, but you could have that on your doorstep tomorrow. Remember our full money back guarantee. You reserve the car, you come and view for any reason you feel it's not correctly described, we'll refund the deposit. But with the videos, you know exactly what you're going to get. No second guesses. You know how nice the car is. Accurate description. Just makes it so easy to buy a car on scene. We're open Monday to Saturday. Our phone number is 01782 822 700. Please call us if you want any further information. Specialist Cars, established since 1997, a multi-award winning dealer. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Just like this couple I mentioned, you've known for over 40 years and I've bought almost every car that they've had off them. They're always trying to find the best cars, look after them, and then sell them to me. Such a unique car. If you want it, our phone number again is 01782 822 700.